Hey, what's up, everybody? This is Billy Josie, aka the New Generation Marketer Guys here from Jacksonville, Florida. And I entitled this video the review of the Triple Play Attraction Marketing course. And this course, if you haven't heard about it, before I do get into the course, let me also remind you, as always, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, be sure to subscribe to my channel. Also, to the very right there should be a little bell there. Click that little bell so that you're notified of any new videos that I do release. Just so you know, as a reminder, this channel is basically all about home business, entrepreneurship, affiliate marketing, network marketing, multi-level marketing, it provides you with tools, resources, things to help you build your business, inspiration, and all that good stuff. So, I want to do a quick review of the Attraction Marketing Triple Play. This is a course put out by the guys over at Miley System Pro, and it is actually a course by the probably one of the most famous attraction marketers these days, and her name is Diane Hockman. So just a quick review of the course. I know that the course is actually, if you're watching this video as of August 16th, that it will be available until tomorrow, August 17th, midnight. So if you haven't taken advantage of the course, be sure to take advantage of the course. I'm not sure if it will be reopened in the future. But we'll just do a quick review for you, and I'm going to highly suggest this as a resource, as a tool to help you build your business. So we'll kind of go over here, and then I'll leave a link at the bottom here as well for more information. But it says 7-figure attraction marketing secrets revealed. Finally, a simple set of attraction marketing micro lessons to attract more prospects, customers, sales, and signups. And it's basically 6 weeks of total immersion to help you build the business of your dreams. So what you get in this course, you basically get 42 micro lessons, daily action plans for results. And that's what I like about this course, is that you're going to get things you can do on a daily basis, and they're designed to get you a specific result in your business. Bonuses, you get 8 new attraction marketing bonuses. Finally, you're going to learn how to attract leads and buyers to your business for free. Now, of course, with this course, there are different ways you can enroll in the course. It is a 6-week course, but it is a course to help you build your business. As you can see here, there's a one-time payment that you can pay, a course of $299, or if you, of course, want to do it on a monthly basis, you can do it for $119 a month for 3 months. A lot of value in this course for a minimum amount of money to help you grow your business. So as we go through the course, we can see more of what you'll be getting. So it is split into different phases. Again, as of the time if you're watching this video, it starts on August 20th. So if you go through phase 1, you see that the day 1 is set up your system for success. Day number 2, autoresponder basics for success. Day number 3, lead generation. Day 4, meet the system campaigns for instant leads. And as you can see here, as you can go through here at your leisure. Again, I'll leave the link at the bottom. Phase 2 is September 3rd to 22nd. How to become an industry personality. Just different things that you can use to grow your business. What I like about this, that if you are a member of MLSP, there's a day on here on how to handle prospects for MLSP to win big. So if you're a member of that, that'll help you for that. But even if you're not a member of MLSP, this still can be a great course for you to get into those action steps to actually help you, build your business and help you attract more customers and leads for your business. Phase 3, that is the day 34. If you look at the top here, creating eye-catching photos of you. Day 35, creating video with purpose. Day 36, getting others to sing your song. And what I like about this is that these little assignments that you do are probably about 15, 20 minutes long, but it's designed to, again, help you take action so that over time you can grow your business, you can generate more leads, you can help people become more attractive to you, to you and your business. Real quickly, my good friend Mark Harbert has a testimony about the course. Let's listen to it.
Hi, my name is Mark Harbert, and I just want to tell you about my good friend, Diane Hoffman. I've known Diane for many, many years now, and I truly consider her an amazing friend. And I have to tell you, when I hear Diane's name, I think Queen of Attraction Marketing, because truly she is. I really don't know that there's anybody even in our space today that really, truly can explain attraction marketing the way Diane does. She has a very unique way of describing this topic because she is attraction marketing. She just understands it, every little bit of it. She knows how attraction works, and she's such a master at it. And I think that's why Diane has been able to be so successful over the years, is because for her it's not necessarily about how many leads you get. It's not about this or that. It's about how you position yourself in a way that gets people to magnetically want to work with you in every possible way. And honestly, today, there's nobody I can think of that talks about this topic in detail the way Diane does. So I highly recommend whatever she teaches or whatever she puts together when it comes to attraction marketing. You need to buy it immediately and don't even think twice about it. So, Diane, I love you, my friend. You're amazing. This is one topic you have just absolutely mastered. I personally have learned from you on this topic on so many things. So, guys, if you're looking at this, hop on it, get on it, work with Diane. She's amazing. Bye-bye.
All right, guys, there you have it. Great testimonial from Mark Harbert about Diane. I would have to agree 100% with Mark that whatever Diane puts out, if you're looking to grow your business, whether it be in affiliate marketing, direct sales, network marketing, definitely want to take advantage of that. And again, what I love about this course is that it's designed to give you things that you can do. Do this, get a result. Do that, get a result. Do this, get a result. So great. More testimonials here. Again, I will leave a link at the bottom. Also, there are some bonuses with this course that are being offered. Bonus number 1 is a 6 live implementation and execution hands-on workshop. Bonus number 2, there's live graphics prior to easily create eye and mind catching graphics. Bonus number 3, live copy clinic to write simple, fun, high converting emails. Bonus number 4, 30 done for you email letters to help you make money. Bonus number 5, 10 done for you CRM letters to help make people fall in love with you. And bonus number 6, a VIP triple play Facebook group. Bonus number 7, Diane's famous pop-up calls. Bonus number 8, 2 pre-event Live the Dream event bonuses recorded. And 8 gifts that have a combined value of about $3,889. So there's a lot of value in this course. Again, there is a link at the bottom, but again, if you did want to get onto it live, as of this recording, today is, again, August 16th. It is available for the next 24 hours. Again, I'm not sure if this course will be available, but again, take advantage of it, and hope you get value from this video, and I do hope you take advantage of the course, because it can help you do nothing but grow your business. If it didn't, I wouldn't recommend it. Alright, guys, I'll see you on the next video. God bless you.